Hello, 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 beautiful people. How are you doing? I really hope you're doing good because I am doing good. Hey guys, on this mini series, you're going to learn how to build a Flutter blog app. Okay, and this app is meant to be for people who are new to Firebase with Flutter. You have no idea on how Firebase works, especially talking about real-time database, because this is going to be the focus of this mini course. And even if you know how it works, it's kind of good because I mean made sure I included some content that I usually don't find online and things like that. So what you have from this small blog app is the following. You can of course add a post to the app, and again this is just to show you how Firebase works. Let's give it a title of Flutter. I love Flutter, blah 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 blah. You'll add some content to your blogs and you'll add them, and here you have the blog. And if you notice, I don't know if you are able to see because my emulator is kind of small. You have the time here, a minute ago, or 8 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, and I'm going to teach you along this course how to do this as well. But that's not all. Let's suppose I click on this post. You have this small window where you have when it was posted and some actions you can perform on it. You can delete the post, of course, and if you delete, it's removed from the view. On the real time, you can add the post, and let's suppose here instead of only games, I'll write games lover. Oops, supposed to be lover. I hit on edit and instantly you have games lover. You see, so you're going to learn a couple interesting things about this, and I'll teach you how to work with events and how to update this on the real-time database. And I still have plans of taking this app a little bit further if the time allows us. But I think that would be something interesting, and I believe that you're going to learn a lot from this. So make sure you watch the video. If you're watching my e-commerce app, this is super important because most of the knowledge you're going to gain from this particular app you'll need to use on that e-commerce app. So make sure you watch this one. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy the mini course. Bye.